It's the guys from Coastal Caterers. Here we are in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina, and we're going to make a video on how to steam oysters for an oyster roast. And the first thing you're going to need, as you'll see, is we have a 10-gallon cooker with a strainer basket. And as we look inside, you'll see that there's very little water, only about enough to come up to the first set of holes in the strainer basket. Because we're just going to be steaming the oysters, we're not going to be boiling the oysters. And we want to use that steam to pop the oysters open. We're going to be using local South Carolina cluster oysters. And we have some right here. And these are not single oysters, these are cluster oysters. They're a little bit different. But steaming is the same way. You can steam until they pop open. And then you open them with a knife and serve them with cocktail sauce, eat them straight, however you want to do it. So now we're going to get the cooker going, and we're going to get ready to steam some oysters. Okay, so we have our batch of oysters ready. They've been steaming here for about 3 or 4 minutes, not too long, and I'm going to go ahead and grab one out of here and show that they are popped open. They popped open here, and that there's the oyster there inside. Enjoy beautiful, delicious, salty South Carolina oysters. Some of the best tasting oysters you'll ever have. Local cluster oyster. And you'll see when you pass it out that most of the oysters in the basket have popped open, and that's how you know they're open. You can steam a little longer if you want them more dry, a little less if you want them a little more moist when you eat the oysters. But either way, this is how you steam oysters. This is the guys from Coastal Caterers, and thank you for watching the video, and have a great day.